As the new year gets closer, you're going to want to think about why you're setting goals to achieve more in 2022. My name is Thom Singer, and in this video, I'm going to give you 2 quick tips on how to improve your goal setting and achieve more. So the first one is you have to know why you want the goal. So many times I've made this mistake, and I've seen a lot of people I work with make this mistake, where they write down all these things they want, but they never ask themselves, why do I want that goal? Spend that time to really make sure you understand what's motivating you, what's getting you excited, why do you want to achieve that particular goal? Make it clear and know that if you're going to write a goal down and you're going to take the time to achieve it, you have to feel it in your soul. You have to be driven that that's what you want. And the second tip is you have to have some sort of a morning routine where you're reviewing those goals every single day. But more than just reading them, we talked in a previous video about writing them down and putting them in front of you. But what's more important is that you have some sort of a routine to internalize those. So what I do is I have a little mantra about my goals, about what I want to achieve, and I do it during my meditation every single morning. I take just a couple of minutes in the middle of my meditation and I think about what my goals are, and I visualize seeing what happens when I achieve them and reverse engineering how to get there along the way. So I've created this whole series, 5 videos, 2 tips each on how to set goals for the new year so that you're going to achieve more. Subscribe to this channel, and down below you can find the links to the other videos that have already been created. This is the 3rd one, so there's 2 behind it, but there's 2 more coming. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you're really serious about setting goals for the new year.